So 9 minus root 5 plus root 6, 9 minus root 5 plus root 6, and root 5 plus root 6, you just take it separate like this. Then you can write 9 minus root 5 plus root 6 divided by 9 square minus root 5 plus root 6 whole square.
So you can write that as 9 square minus root 5 square plus root 6 square.
What we can write?
So you can write the second bit. You can write the second bit as the denominator as 9 square minus root 5 square plus root 6 square.
See, this is form of a plus b whole square form. So you can't write only root 5 square plus root 6 whole square. No. A plus b whole square is not separate square is not there. Whole square should check, okay? A small mistake will just understood.
Yes, sir.
So 9 minus right here divided by 81 minus 5 plus 6 plus what? Root 2 root 30, right? 2 root 30. Understood how it came?
So is it root 5 square plus root 6 square?
Yeah.
2 into root.
Yeah. 2ab. 2 into root 5 into root 6.
Yeah. That's root.
So 81 minus 11 plus 2 root 30. Then what we can write here? 9 minus as it is, right? Root 5 plus root 6. Then you can write here 81 minus 11 minus 2 root 30. You can write, just open the bracket, 9 root 5 minus root 6. Open the bracket here if you want. Divided by 81 minus 11, 70 minus 2 root 30. Is it clear?
Yes.
Again, we should.
Yeah, you did this much. Sai Charan?
No.
Yeah.
I
So 70 plus 2 root 30. I think again you should do so big will come. Understood? Try to do at home. This is also why I've chosen hard, because small questions you are doing in chutki, like very easy way. That's why I just chosen hard one.
Okay, sir. We'll do this homework.
Yeah. So you can prove, children, root 2 is a rational number. Can you prove? Root 2 is irrational number. All of you can prove?
Yes, sir.
How to prove root 2 is irrational number?
Sir, you first have to write. Sir, you can't write it in P by Q form, since root 2 is you can't write it. There's no square root, so you can't simplify it, and root 2 cannot be considered as P by Q form.
But you have to thoroughly prove why it is. So root 2 is irrational number. See, what we should do is root 2 is irrational number. How to prove? See, first of all, you should tell that root 2 is irrational number. So if you write solution here, you should write let root 2 is a rational number. Think first. You should tell the property of a rational number When that will not match with that thing, okay, then you can later on you can say that is irrational number. First, you should let root 2 is what? Rational number. So if this is a rational number, it means that this root 2 is equals to what? Root 2 is equals to P by Q. You can say or
Yes,
not.
and it's not it's not in minus form as well.
Yeah, where P and Q are what? Co-prime integers. Co-prime integers and Q is not equal to 0. What are co-prime children? I told in the next last class, I think. What are co-prime? I told you.
So two numbers which can which common factors are only one.
Yeah, common factor is only one. Those two. So mainly we have to prove that this P and Q will have other common factor other than one. Okay, one extra common factor other than one. Okay. So how to
Yes,
prove that? First of all, write this cross multiply you do. We can write root 2q is equal to p. So just we have to remove this root part. So what we can write squaring both sides, what we can write? 2q square is equals to what we can write? P square. Can we write like this?
yes, sir.
On squaring both sides. Then we can write here or we can write here q square is equals to p square by 2. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
After this we can write p square is multiple of or divisible by 2. P square is divisible by 2. Or we can write p is divisible by 2. P is divisible by 2. See, if p square is divisible by 2, it means what? P is also divisible by 2. Understood? If p square is divisible by 2, so obviously p is also divisible by 2. No? Understood or not, children? Akshit, Sai Charan, Shreyanvi. I can't hear you people. Just tell me. Is it clear or not?